Okay, so here we are, we're all set up. Everything's functional, balanced, everything, but now our holiday's over and it's time to pack up. So I'm going to show you the order in which I do it. I find it the easiest, so let me take you through the pack down of the caravan. We're going to start off first with the kitchen, pop it all away, and then we'll go through the rest of things now. So the first thing I'm going to do is unhook the gas. I'm going to put the cap back in now as well. I'm just going to feed this back in. Now if I had the hose attached as well for the grey water, I'd need to take that out as well. Okay. It's all good. And we're going to move back around this side. We're going to start with the draining dish. So we're going to unlatch that. And we're going to pull this up. Not that it'll stay there. It's alright, we'll just pop this one in here. And then we're going to close this up. Okay, now just another thing, if you are cleaning the van yourself, please make sure that you do clean the kitchen properly. Make sure that it's all dry before you pack it up so that it doesn't rust or get any condensation afterwards. Now, these wind protectors we just unhook. We're going to just roll it back, hold them under and close it back up again. Okay, so we're almost there. Now we're just going to close the leg up. So then we're going to bring them back up, just lock them into place so that they don't wriggle around. Need to go further. And it's just a matter of getting this lined up. Right, that's locked in. Okay, now it's a slight lift and then slide it back in. And then we're going to lock the latches back into place. I'm going to close up. And I recommend that you lock as you go. I also recommend that you travel with all the doors locked, just to avoid any issues when you're travelling. You never quite know what might go on. Okay, this one needs to be locked up as well. And our bar slide, just need to unhinge there, push up, and use the bar slide to lock. Okay, our fridge, we already pushed it away, but we will lock it up now as well. Back to the pantry. Okay. Locked. We can just double check that they're locked. Okay,